So I hit 10k on one of my videos the other day, which is really cool, to be honest. I'm like quite excited about that. This video is more of just like a thank you, really. Thank you everyone for the support. I've now got a couple of milestones that I've hit. So I've hit 10k on one of my videos. I've got 750 subscribers on the way to 1,000, not too bad. And I'm just really excited. So in this video, it's just gonna be a little bit of a giveaway that I'm gonna tell you about. Let's get straight into it. What I'm gonna be giving away is a creative photography pack, which is my own little startup thing that I've been trying to work on for a while now, which is why I've not been posting a lot of video lately. But it's basically this, and I'm going to go through all the things quickly and just show you some examples. So the first thing that I'm going to be giving away in the creative photography pack is paint powder. You're going to get 3 random colours, which is of your choice. Just comment down below actually what colours you want as well. And it's basically what my most viewed video is, how to shoot with paint powder. Check that video out if you want to see like how to use these. Not a lot of people are using these either, so try and have a look at these. Check that out. Another thing that I'm going to be giving away is these little neon paints. So this is really cool as well. I did another video on that, how to use these with models. You can get it on the face, get it on objects. Looks really cool, and all you got to use is UV light and it looks absolutely amazing. If you've been following me for a while as well, you'll know that fairy lights are absolutely one of my most favourite essential little accessories that I use for all my pictures. So have a look at that as well. I've got loads of videos where I use examples of these, so check them out. And it's really cool. You can get these really nice effects. You can cover models in them. You can see what look like bam, bam, bam. And yeah, so that's another thing as well. And another thing that's included is this really lovely, beautiful crystal glass prism, which is really fantastic. You can also use it to refract and reflect light, and it looks absolutely amazing on some of your pictures, so check that out as well. So 3 things you got to do to be able to enter this giveaway is number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Stowe Photography. 2, comment down below on the video what your favourite thing is in the creative photography pack. And 3, have a look at my other videos, check them out, just have a look, have a watch, and if you enjoy them, give it a subscribe. That's all I'm asking for. In all seriousness though, thank you so much everyone who's supporting and watching my videos. It really like makes me happy that people are actually watching this and actually kind of learn stuff that I'm giving out. So thank you very much for the support, and see you in the next one. Wow!